What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Fashion Nova Valentine's Day themed haul. Whether you guys are going out somewhere fancy, going out somewhere a little more chill, or just staying home and being comfy cozy, I got you covered. I picked 6 things from the Fashion Nova website, all of which I will have linked below, but I feel like all of them are really good options no matter what you're doing for Valentine's Day. As always, I will have everything I talk about today linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on Instagram and let's get into this video. Okay, let's start this haul off with the dressier options. So first and foremost is this beautiful ruffly hot pink and light pink dress. It is so freaking beautiful. It is a one shoulder dress, so many ruffles, and I just freaking love it. I think this would look so cute with some white heels, or like white, like chunkier heels, I guess. It's just so freaking adorable. I absolutely love it. It is like a really frilly, kind of like ruffly material, but it is double lined, so the inside is just this really pretty pink color. I also like how it has this rubber material, so it's not going to be slipping and sliding up here at the neckline. I think that kind of helps like grip your skin. I picked this dress up in a 3X, and I think the fit was great. However, because it's not a stretchy material, I feel like it was slightly snug in the stomach area, but I mean, I feel like I would still wear it, so love this option. Next up is a red dress. So we have a little bit of a red dress option here. This is made of a super stretchy, like almost slinky type of material. This one is like off the shoulder, like both shoulders, so it kind of just sits like this. Has this crisscross action here in the front. It is more of a form-fitting dress, and it does have a slit on my left leg. It is a long sleeve dress. I think it is so pretty, so comfortable because of how stretchy it is. And I picked this dress up in a 3X as well. Now, I will admit I am more of a black dress girl, so had to get a black dress as well. This one also form-fitting. It has a ribbed neckline and then see-through mesh all throughout the shoulders, and the arms are completely see-through. So with this one, I would think that you would probably need like a strapless bra. And then the rest of the dress, I don't know if you can see that, but it is like a thick ribbed material. Although it is form-fitting, it's not like super tight. I really like this one so much. Anything that's black and that has like mesh paneling, I don't know why, I've always just loved that. I'm always drawn to that, so had to pick this one up. Also got it in a 3X, and I thought it was super comfortable. Okay, the next option is a 2-piece set, and I feel like this one could be dressed down or it could be dressed up. I will say for me, I think the skirt was a little bit too short, but I was kind of trying to wiggle it down in the video so you didn't see any booty. But it's a sweater set. It's black, like a black knitted stretchy sweater with these light pink bows all over. It is so cute. So cute. So we have the sweater and then the matching skirt. So it's just like a little matching set. I thought it was really comfortable. Like, the material is thick but also very stretchy. I liked it a lot, and I thought it was super cute. Like I said, I feel like you could dress this up maybe with some heels, or just dress it down and be a little bit more casual. I feel like if you're shorter than me, it might be a good option with the skirt. I think, like I said, if I turned around, the whole booty was gonna be hanging out. But picked it up in a 3X, and I thought it was really comfortable. Okay, another 2-piece set, and this I can see if you're doing something a little bit more chill on Valentine's Day but still want to look cute and be comfortable. It's this brown 2-piece set. We have a short sleeve button-up top, and it's made of this like crepey material. This is the most beautiful chocolate brown color. I'm a firm believer you don't always have to wear red and pink for Valentine's Day, and I feel like chocolate brown, chef's kiss. So we have the button-up top and then the matching flowy pants. Now, you could totally wear, if you wanted like a pop of pink or something, you could wear like a pink cami or something under the top. I just left it a little bit unbuttoned and tucked one side of the top into the pants. I just thought it was so cute. Once again, super comfortable. Pants do have pockets. I picked this set up in a 3X, and I thought the fit was great. Okay, this next set I feel like are for the girlies that are just staying home but still want to look cute. So we have this super soft knitted stretch material button up It's slightly cropped, long sleeve top. So I can't even tell you guys how soft this is. It is so comfortable. Like I could freaking sleep in this. So we have the top, and it's in this really pretty like purpley mauve color. And then the matching stretchy, soft, cozy bottoms. And these are a wide-legged pant. So definitely something you can just throw on and look super cute while still being really comfortable at home. I don't know whether you guys are watching a movie or just having dinner at home or something. I think this would be a great option. So picked it up at a 3X. It is very stretchy and so freaking comfortable. So that was everything that I picked out for Valentine's Day from Fashion Nova. If you guys have any questions at all, definitely leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I do respond quicker over on Instagram, so go check me out over there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.